Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. This one's so exciting because it's a fun YouTube video. This has been going on YouTube as a trend for so long. So many YouTubers have done it, but I've just personally always had a folder on Instagram of photos I wanted to recreate so I could have my professional photographer I hired to take all the photos of me when I'm a famous YouTuber. But you know, things aren't happening that way yet, so we're manifesting out here. But since we're guys in self-isolation, I went ahead and had my little brother Mason help me. He's just been really wanting to help me take some photos, so I said, you know what, first grader taking my photos, why not, right? We're bored in the house bored, so let's try it out. And honestly guys, we got one picture that I love so much, and I took another group of pictures, guys, that I just used to post on my Instagram account dedicated to my love of books, and ooh, we got some really good photos for that. But without further ado, guys, let's just get into it. For the first photo, it was so hard, guys. Oh, and little disclaimer, I do want to say that this is a recreating Instagram photos, but it's more like recreating the pose, not the entire vibe, like the whole outfit, because I did wear some different outfits, guys, because I wanted to wear the clothes I had and styled myself the way that was my personal style. But anyways, okay guys, for the first photo we're going to be doing this one, and I'm going to go ahead and fill up this glass with some champagne to go ahead and get that vibe. So a little disclaimer on this video, guys, people who do the challenge usually wants it to be completely exact. I'm not in a similar outfit to him because I just like the vibe and style of the photo, but I don't want to be exact copycat. I want to get inspired but put my own little twist with it. So let's go ahead and get that photo. This is gonna be my photographer today, guys, my little brother Mason. God, guys, so because I'm a spiritual channel, Mason took these photos of me. There's so much supernatural energy in it, like rainbows and good divine energy up in here. But the angle I told him to take these of me, guys, oh my god, I look so fat and disordered. I need to go back to the original photo and figure out the angle. Oh my gosh, guys, we almost kind of got some, but the only problem is my house is in the photo and I only want the forest, so still gotta redo these shots. This is how it turned out, guys. It was a photo of Tuan actually holding this glass of alcohol or a cold beverage, and the angle was super hard for my brother to get. He took so many photos, but they were like unflattering, up high, and that one was the best I could do to kind of mimic the vibe and stuff, so not too bad. But the second photo was one of my favorites that we ever did, guys. So whether if I liked it or not, guys, I had to go get my sunglasses because you need it for this Instagram shot, because I wanted to mimic this photo, and the big deal is the sunglass shot, so I gotta get it going. He had his sleeves rolled up, so I gotta do...
Ah! No! Camera, no!
Oh, I could have you record me and shoot pictures at the same time on this phone. That would be a cute video.
It's me, Mason, the photographer. Yeah, you know, I take very great pictures, I don't know.
Too cute, Mason. Okay, here you go. The photo, guys, it took so much work to get this photo, so I had to keep on moving because the sunlight. First photo ended up looking good, but I'm smiling, and the photos of him not smiling, so I wanted that for the challenge, but smiling for maybe the gram. But we got the shot, guys. We got it. Thank you, Mason. And that one is this one. This one's just giving me like bratty, bitchy, like bougie vibes, and it's so funny. I took some of me smiling that I posted on my book account, but I just love how this photo turned out, guys, compared to the original one being this one right here. So it's so cool how it turned out. I love it so much, and I can't believe my little brother took it, and he's a first grader, guys. Like, what? This photo is so nice. I love how it turned out. So that was not a fail at all. The first one was like, 3 stars. This one's like 5 stars for me. I love how it turned out so much, guys, and we ended up doing another one. The photo was supposed to look like this. Next photo we're gonna do, guys, and wish me luck. Hopefully it turns out good. kind of try to mimic the outfit a little bit just to give it that vibe, because I think I saved that photo to kind of copy the outfit too. So I ended up trying to do it with Mason, and it was so hard to recreate this photo, guys. That's what I ended up getting. It was not good at all. I kept on trying and it just didn't work out, and I had a feeling it would probably be hard, so that one was a complete fail. But you know, you live and you learn, and it's content for you guys. And the last photo I did, but I ended up wanting to do more, and I think I'm just gonna do some more during self-isolation, guys, but I'm not gonna film everything, would be this one. So this is how the photo turned out. Not really happy with it. I had to angle my hands a little bit different. I didn't really know. And this was the photo of this guy standing on this balcony, like the ledge of it, sitting on that little part. So I wanted to kind of recreate that vibe. I feel like I can totally recreate it and do it better. So I think another day I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it so I could post it on Instagram. But those were like the 4 photos that I ended up recreating with my little brother Mason. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys, which photo that we recreated was your favorite. I would say number 2 was my favorite for sure, hands down. And like always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below, guys. Let me know what kind of future videos you want to see. I think you guys should totally do this too as a YouTube video, or just as like fun in general, just to create some Instagrams, because sometimes you're bored, you want to get inspired by people. I think it's totally cool to like recreate the photo completely, or just get inspired, like do the pose, but wear your own clothes, do your own style. But sometimes, you know, we just need help like modeling, because we're not models, right? So gotta get a little inspiration. And of course, like always, guys, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys all be blessed and rejuvenated. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. Of course, until next time, I'll see you guys then. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls.